How to change language on Microsoft Edge browser. So at first open up your Microsoft Edge. After that click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Now from here go to settings option. At the bottom you can find the settings. After that click on language option and that's it. Here you can see four options: UK English, English, US English and German. You can choose any option as you want. Also if you want to add your own language, just tap on add languages option. From here choose any language as you want. If I select Bengali and then click on add option, and that way you can add your own language on Edge browser. Now if you want to set your own language, you have to just select the language from here. If I select US English, then click on three dots, then click on display Microsoft Edge in this language and it's done. Now you have to restart your browser. Just click on restart and that's it. You can see language has been changed successfully on the Edge browser, and that is how you can change language on Microsoft Edge browser. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.